What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 9 stocks in this video. So please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into Microsoft, which is up 1.55% on the day. Now this is the trade I took early in the morning in my Discord live trading, and look at this, guys. You cannot get any better than that. We got a sell-off here on Microsoft right here, a big red candle holding above white line 20 SMA, right? Again, it was holding the second day, third day, and today was the fourth day on Microsoft. It's holding above white line 20 SMA, holding above 324.28. And look at this dip that I got exactly close to that level right here, low 325. Got 330 calls this week expiration, and now not only in the money, over the money, and this thing sitting at 332, holding above all the moving averages here on this daily chart, and that is looking extremely bullish going into tomorrow. So on Microsoft, tomorrow as a support right here, 329, blue line and also orange line, 13 SMA. And if that gives up, then watch out down here again, 324.28, and then the gap down here at 316.50. To the upside, Microsoft tomorrow with that CPI can hold 329. Watch out, guys. We could see another big leg up on Microsoft all the way up to 338 to even 339. On Nvidia stock, it's up 1.84%, and Nvidia refuses to die and just roll over, guys. I mean, look at this, 386, and again, we talked about it on my video, especially Saturday morning, that watch out right here as a support, blue line 5 SMA, and exactly 385.78, so close to 386, and that was the low for the day. And look at this bounce back up to 395, and now slightly trading under 395, holding above 386, holding this blue line 5 SMA as a support. So on Nvidia, 395 and 400 breaks, we're going to see another massive run to the upside, 420 to 440. To the downside, 386 gives up. We also have support at 382 and then 375 before coming down and retesting 354.86 white line 20 SMA. As of right now, Nvidia going up on low volume. So I don't know how much further this stock can go, but keep an eye on 395 and then 400 resistant to break, because if that breaks, this thing can run back up to 420 to even a new all-time high, possible up to 440. On AMD stock, it's up 3.42% and got rejected once again at 130 and now trading at 129.19 at the closing. We do have strong support on AMD at 125, and just below that we have the gap at 122.21, aligned with this blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. 125 can hold on AMD, then watch out for a breakout above 130, and if that happens, AMD heading higher all the way up to 135. On Apple stock, is up 1.56%, and the market leader breaking out above 183, and that is looking strong and bullish going into tomorrow. Now Apple stock, if we look at my screen, once again today coming down to 180, holding that as a support, and now we got that breakout, that previous all-time high 183, and now it's trading above that level, and looks like early as tomorrow Apple could be retesting the new all-time high 185, and if that breaks, possibly hitting a brand new fresh all-time high early as tomorrow. Now Apple stock gives up 183 support, then watch out for the support down here at 180, and below that we also have support at 178.29, and then the gap down here at 176. So this is another trade I took, especially on Google Class C. And if you want to get setups like this, go ahead and head over to Patreon. Link is down below in the description, because this is another good setup that I got on Google today, especially buying the dip at 122.76 and putting a stop 20% on Google. Never got hit. This thing went back up, almost went over the money, 125.75. I took some profit and still holding some runners on Google for more upside going into tomorrow. Now closing on Google, guys, especially today, was bullish. I mean, it was just holding right here in between 122, 123, and now it's looking more clear that it's got that breakout above 124, and now Google stock actually holding above 124.15, which is extremely bullish going into tomorrow. And I can see there is not much downside because we have lower Bollinger Band sitting at 118.76. So tomorrow on Google, 123 will be a key level to watch right here as a support. And Google can hold 123. We got a shot on Google. This thing can run higher all the way up to 126 and possibly up to even 128.32. So Google definitely looks bullish going to tomorrow, but also, guys, keep that in mind. We got CPI data coming out tomorrow, and that's gonna be crucial for the market. On Amazon stock is up 2.54%, and a lot of people thought that Amazon will give up the support 124.42. And look at this, bear trap on Amazon. And I actually know a bear who got trapped today. So Amazon came down to 123.53. And if you look at it, slightly undercutting 124.42, coming down, but also going up, right back up above 124.42, and now it's gone. Amazon stock can definitely get up to 130s early as tomorrow. As a support on Amazon, 124.42, and if that gives up, look at the strong support also down here. Amazon stock sold off, came down to where? 13 SMA on this daily chart, this orange line, and it was holding above that level. So today it was time for Amazon to move higher. 124.42 gives up as a support, then watch out for 122, and then down here another strong support, white line 20 SMA, 119.65. To the upside, Amazon can break and hold 130. And I said it before, watch out for a move all the way up to the gap 134. On Meta, it's up 2.30%, and look at this move here on Meta. Just like Microsoft, coming down to this 13 SMA on this daily chart and holding and also closing the gap at 265, 2-3 days of consolidation right here, and now it's moving again back up to the upside. So Meta now as a support going into tomorrow, 267, blue line 5 SMA, 265, 13 SMA on this daily chart, and then white line 20 SMA down here at 257.54. To the upside, next stop on Meta, 280, and like I've been saying, 290 still possible on Meta. On Tesla stock is up 2.22%, and I'm not doing anything on Tesla. I didn't even look at this stock today. This is the first time I'm looking at Tesla today, and look at this thing, up $5.43. Like I said, I'm not shorting, and I'm also not getting in here on Tesla into a short-term swing trade, getting any calls, because look at this, guys. We left a gap open here at 235, another one down here at 221, and not to mention, all these gaps down here. And now Tesla looks like early as tomorrow, we could see more upside on Tesla. This thing just needs to clear 250, and the next stop up here at 262. To the downside, any strong support, watch out for 235 right here, 230, and then the gap down here at 221.91. To the upside, all you gotta watch here on Tesla, this thing can break 250 and that holds, the next stop is 262 on Tesla. On Netflix, it's up 0.94%, close to 1% on the day. And look at this move on Netflix. Came down under 420, broke the support, and it was looking like it was going to come down here at 409.54 to fill this gap down here. But look at this, guys. Again, another bear trap on Netflix, going back up over 420, and look at this, now sitting close to 424. So Netflix above 420, guys. We could see more upside all the way up to 436 early as tomorrow. Now to the downside, as a support 420, and below that watch out for 410, blue line 5 SMA, and then the gap down here at 409.54, and then we also have support all the way down here at 400, and then 396.19 orange line 13 SMA. Above 420, definitely 436 possible on Netflix. And that is all I have for you guys in this video. Have a great night, everybody.